the Google Hangouts. Callum is grinding on me. Michael is shredding. Luke is happy to be here. We're happy to be here. How you doing? We're sorry we're half an hour late.
But I'm also not sorry that we are Ninja Turtles.
Making shields so perfect. Such a
Nice.
okay.
Good
What are you doing?
He's turtling.
Making it such a big song for us, and also Don't Stop. It's been incredible for us, and we have an album out, and that.
I want to thank you guys for everything. Oh, damn, why are there turtles walking around in my live stream?
Keep going.
What we do, and I'm gonna.
Oh no, he's stuck.
Oh, you got on your back.
Oh no.
You need to roll you. Come on. There you go. You're right. Okay. Oh my God! Your shell fell off.
Ew! Oh, it's so disgusting!
Oh my God! It's broken. It's broken. You broke your shell.
That happened to me once in Walmart.
Oh my God! You broke your shell.
What's it like? What's it like, man?
What's it like to feel?
I feel free.
No, but in all seriously,
Seriously?
in all seriously. Callum! I mean, Purple Ninja Turtle.
Donatello.
Oh no, my identity is exposed.
I rolled over off my shell this morning at 6 a.m. and
You know what? Let's just make this clear. Everything is true in this story.
I washed my shell in the morning and probably at 6:15 went and had breakfast at 6:30, which was some tadpoles.
You ate your babies?
Oh my God.
Whoa!
No, tadpoles are.
Tadpoles are baby turtles.
No, they're not. Are you serious?
Tadpoles are baby turtles.
Damn it, they're mosquitoes, aren't they? What
Anyway.
a tadpole!